is Dave. There's nothing in the world he loves more than 3D printing.
I've often been asked, would I rather have the perfect girlfriend or the perfect 3D printer? Definitely the 3D printer.
Today, he's trying out the Trinus 3D printer.
I'm sorry, where was I?
Trinus, a new 3D printer.
Bring it.
These days, he's not just looking for another 3D printer. He wants something that produces quality prints, can work with a wide variety of materials, can print with multiple file formats, is reliable, and doesn't cost an arm and a leg. He's had some trying experiences, putting together printers with hundreds of parts and having to recalibrate them over and over again.
Finally done. Let's print.
Or coping with prices that put him over the edge. Trinus has a modular structure with 4 identical units, which reduces its production cost. Yeah, that's it. Only 11 parts. Sorry.
Okay, let's do this.
With an easy-to-follow manual, you can assemble Trinus in 30 minutes. And because its mechanics are scaled down from industrial-grade machines, Trinus brings professional-level performance and precision right to your desk. Trinus isn't just a fixed package either. You can exchange its 3D printing head for a laser engraving one. You can also equip your Trinus with a heated bed and safety enclosure, opening your printer up to PC and ABS. Now, Dave, how much do you think this costs?
Well, considering the ease of assembly and attention to details, although I'd still need to see the printed models, I'd say around $1,500.
Nope. Look right.
What's the catch?
There's no catch. $299 on Kickstarter. Trinus uses its intuitive Pango software, which works twice as fast as other slicers. But you're not locked to that. Other software and G-code are compatible too. Remember the time you used the high-speed setting on that other low-cost printer and ended up with a dull, messy print? Even using a higher print speed, Trinus gives you a clean, high-quality print without shaking everything off your desk. Plus, the laser head will come in handy when your best friend beats you at a game you thought you were good at. Trinus lets you print with many different filaments, including flex, wood, and aluminum, all without a jammed extruder or clogged nozzle. To help achieve that, Trinus partnered with Polymaker. With their Polymax PLA or PC Plus, you can be sure that your printed parts will be stronger and better than ever before.
Darling, to you. I love you too. I can explain.
Cetus has a simple, effective extruder. It can accept 3 different nozzle options. With the 0.2 nozzle, you can produce much more details than the other 3D printers on the market. It uses high-quality linear guideways to ensure excellent print quality and quiet operation. It has an aluminum extrusion body, which makes it lightweight, portable, and even extendable. We developed a novel build surface coating, which provides optimal first layer adhesion, easy removal of print objects. Cetus supports Wi-Fi, so you can control the printer or send print jobs wirelessly. You can even take a picture and convert it into 3D and print it out. The printing material is open, so you can try whatever materials you want.
About 6 months ago, we decided to make the M3D Pro based on getting feedback from our existing users. So we've already gone through 3 iterations of design prototypes and we're almost completely done the engineering. 3 months ago, we proved a lot of the important concepts like making a heated bed that uses less power, proving that it can move a lot faster, proving the benefits of higher quality and higher precision metal parts. And right now we're going through the final phases of proving the feedback system and finishing the next steps in programming.
First time I ever heard about 3D printing was one of my friends printed a Ninja Warrior training hold, and I thought it was really cool.
The unique thing that you're getting with M3D Pro that we have not yet seen in this industry is that ability for the printer to sense many different things within itself. It has the ability to sense position, it has the ability to sense speed, it has the ability to sense temperature in 5 different places. And if there's a problem, it can be self-diagnosed and in almost all cases can be self-corrected. Ultimately, that gives you more time in the creative process.
With 3D printing, I have right on my desk, or my granddaughters have right on their desk. If they get an idea, they can try to make that idea on a 3D printer right there. They can turn their ideas into reality. This I didn't have when I was a kid.
Really, the greatest advancement that 3D printing could accomplish at any point in the future is ease of use, making it so that anybody can just go from an idea to creating that idea within an afternoon.
We've introduced this new thing that we call tutorial mode. So what we got from our feedback from original backers was that they wanted more detailed guides so they can grow into becoming an expert user rather than having to start as an expert user.
The thing I think that needs to happen for educators is speed is an issue, how fast we can turn around.
So with M3D Pro, you have the ability to print a single prototype with extreme accuracy and high quality, but you also have the ability to take that prototype and print it in quantity, cover the entire print bed with multiples of your model and produce it at volume.
I am so excited for the future, not only for me, but for my daughter, to grow up being able to use her mind to create anything she wants to, thanks to a 3D printer.
I've been fascinated with just the whole idea of 3D printing for quite a while now, focusing on just simple things that I could print for around the house or toys that I could print to play with my kids. Really just the idea that I could create something myself.
What's unique about the Kickstarter community is they value innovation. And what M3D is doing, I think many people are going to see as extremely innovative, and they're going to want to be first to support it and to help nurture where this technology is going to go. They just also happen to get a printer as one of their rewards very early and at a deep discount.
Introducing BigBot. BigBot is a scalable, affordable, large format RipRap printer. For those who do not know, RipRap printers are a category of 3D printer which uses commonly available open source hardware, firmware, and software to print 3D objects, including itself. BigBot is an advancement in RipRap technology, being a high-quality, industrial-grade 3D printer that is extensible to future technology and materials. With an ever-growing community, RipRap printers stay on the forefront of innovation by easily accommodating new materials, enabling bigger and better prints. 3 sizes of BigBot kits are available to our backers, all of which are bigger than most other 3D printers. The largest model has a print area of 600 by 600 by 300 millimeters, enabling large parts to be made from the latest high-performance plastics. BigBot's large print area and versatile material acceptance enable more items than ever to be printed practically. BigBot kit quality and part supply have been validated. Order quantities will define manufacturing processes used for our kit, but otherwise is a finished product. The Kickstarter also funds bulk material ordering, enabling market competitive pricing. Hi, my name is Jared Brandt, and in my 15 years experience in R&D engineering, I've had the opportunity to work on numerous projects for service in various industries. I presently engineer electric cars and have found recent advances in 3D printing technology to be very beneficial for production and prototype applications. We've had several parts which required large printable areas and were disappointed that large 3D printers were not available to consumers for under $10,000. This printer was developed to serve our needs, but we feel we ended up with a very marketable product, one which we'd like to share. With a successful Kickstarter campaign, we will supply BigBot kits to backers, make our models publicly available to everyone, publish professional build instructions, and educate consumers about large 3D printing techniques. This documentation is intended to expand the RepRap knowledge base and hopefully enable 3Ders everywhere to create more amazing prints than ever.
Introducing the Lightning by Lightning 3D. The next step in SLA printing. Powered by a custom DLP light engine, the Lightning produces fantastically detailed prints with feature sizes as small as 62 microns. We use a custom UV LED tuned to efficiently cure resin. This makes the Lightning smaller, quieter, and with a much longer light source lifespan. The Lightning has a moving build platform. Each layer can be exposed in 2 positions, doubling the print volume while maintaining high resolution. Lightning will be supplied with Creation Workshop. Here models can be prepared and supports added for printing. The Lightning can print standalone without being tethered to a laptop or PC. Wireless connectivity makes monitoring print progress simple and sending prints easy. An innovative resin vat allows for quick separation of the print between layers. Its durable Teflon film surface won't cloud and tear during printing. Compact, efficient, precise. The Lightning, available now.